Okay, Mariel with us right now because we got a lot to talk about as far as the weather. I brought my umbrella today. I remember.
You're prepared. You're weather aware.
Look at me.
You've been paying attention.
I did. It was your midday forecast yesterday that did it for me.
That's what it did. So this morning you might want to grab that umbrella. We'll see some scattered showers early on, but the thunderstorms also hold off until the afternoon. Either way, you want to be prepared for this. We do have an enhanced risk for severe weather. That's a level 3 out of 5. Now, when I say that, I'm talking about the amount of storms that could turn severe. So when we're talking about an enhanced risk, we're talking numerous storms. A slight risk, that yellow that you see just south of us, that is where we would see some scattered severe storms. That means not everyone sees the severe weather, but there's a good chance that most of us see at least a thunderstorm or two. So with the biggest threat today, it'll be the potential for large hail. With the strongest of storms, that could be up to tennis ball sized hail. It is springtime in Texas. Damaging winds also up to about 60 miles per hour. And I'm not ruling out the potential for an isolated tornado this afternoon as well, although that threat is low. Here's a look at the timing. Most of us see the cloud cover all morning, and then we're looking at some scattered showers, really expanding in coverage, especially east of I-35. Around 9, 10 in the morning, we'll notice some scattered rain. We could even see an isolated thunderstorm popping up. I'm not expecting storms this morning, though, to be severe. We'll see some general clearing far west of the Metroplex around noon. Now, around 2 and 3 in the afternoon, that's when we see these thunderstorms really start to pop up and get pushed into the I-35 corridor counties. This is for on Thursday, Gainesville, Fort Worth to Cleburne there just to the west of I-35. That's where we'll notice some thunderstorms really start to take shape. We'll start to see them increase in severity, though, around 5 or 6 this evening as they push into this area north of I-20, east of I-35. We're going to see these thunderstorms be capable of producing hail. That's the main concern, but also some strong winds. This is now showing you 6 in the evening. We still see that thunderstorm threat. Paris, Sulphur Springs, Terrell, even portions of Dallas County down I-35. That front eventually kind of takes over and pushes these storms to the south and east. This is now 7. This is now 8. We could see some additional storm development along this front if there's enough moisture left. This is around 9. You still see that long line of showers and storms. This is now where we see more of a strong wind threat right along the leading edge of that line as it continues to push to the south and east. This is now 10, and that's now closer to 11. We're going to see that threat for severe weather be completely done. For North Texas, we'll still notice the cloud cover, and it's going to be windy and quite a bit cooler. Anywhere between a 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch of rain will be possible for us, but areas east of the Metroplex likely getting closer to 1/2 of an inch. That's because of the rain that you see earlier in the day. So again, that front is going to come through tonight. It cools us down significantly. High of 77 today, but we'll be in the 50s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday going into early parts of next week. For this morning, though, this is what it looks like. It is cloudy out there. We're seeing just a lingering shower, mainly south of Granbury. I'm seeing a shower now over Glen Rose, moving into Cleburne there. But otherwise, we're looking pretty dry. We'll see that rain expand in coverage throughout the morning. Winds right now gusting out of the south up to about 30 miles per hour. That's what we're noticing in McKinney. Temperatures are in the low 60s to kick off the day, but we will see that temperature climb. Our winds, we're also going to see them climb as well, gusting up to 40 miles per hour for this afternoon, and that's not with thunderstorm-related storms. That's all ahead of that system that's coming in. So again, some strong to severe storms this afternoon. It's going to be windy. It's going to be muggy out. It's going to absolutely feel like a spring day. And then just like that, we see a big cool down tomorrow morning, a low of 39 degrees. We'll see mid 30s Saturday and Sunday morning. So definitely plan ahead too. You may have to cover some tender vegetation. Otherwise, highs in the 50s. We just got to be weather aware this afternoon.